Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to answer some questions about the road signs. And I hope you're ready to name the road signs correctly in less than 3 seconds. So let's get started. No parking. Road closed. Maximum speed limit. No overtaking for vehicles exceeding 2 wheels. Distance to be kept between 2 moving vehicles. No entry for vehicles exceeding 2 wheels. Pedestrian crossing ahead. No overtaking for heavy commercial vehicles. No entry for vehicles exceeding the weight shown. End of all prohibitions. Please like and subscribe for more.
Taylor Classics of this